Alright, so let's go ahead and go over this. So the sign shows the toll for driving on Alligator Alley. Right and solve an inequality represent the number of times someone can drive on Alligator Alley with 15 bucks. All right, so what this is, so I need to create and solve an inequality based on the situation. And what the situation is in order to drive on Alligator Alley, you have to pay $2.50 for every single time you get on the road. All right, and it wants to know, ultimately, we're running equality to figure out how many times we can go on to Alligator Alley, the maximum, how many times we go on Alligator Alley with our $15 in our wallet. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is write in words, the toll times the number of trips has to be less than or equal to $15. Okay, variable, we're going to let x be the number of trips. Okay, now I'm going to write in an inequality. 2.5x is less than or equal to 15. All right, so where am I getting this from? All right, so the 2.5 is the toll road, the toll. All right, I'll just take off that 0 because we don't need that 0 there. X is the number of trips to go on the road, and then 15 bucks less than or equal to 15 bucks. So that's all I have. So it's gonna be, I can, as long as I don't go over 15 bucks, I'm good. All right, so whatever X is, it's gotta be less than or equal to 15. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and solve the inequality. So I have 2.5x divided by itself. I'm going to go ahead and that's going to eliminate the two of those. I isolate the variable is less than or equal to 15 divided by 2.5. All right, so if I do 15 divided by 2, I'm actually going to get 6. So x less than or equal to 6 is the solution. And that's actually wrong. That's the answer. Answer. So someone can drive an Alligator no more than 6 times. Okay. All right. So go ahead and do the independent practice. It's on Google Forms. Submit it when you're finished. And I hope that concludes today's lesson. Be sure, if you're interested, go ahead and do the Kahoot problems. Like I said in my intro video this week, those are optional. All right, so you guys have a good Wednesday, and remember, tomorrow's choice day, so choose one of the two, but I want you to challenge yourself. All right, you guys take care.